So how do you get more people to buy things through your sales funnel? Whether you've got a landing page, sales funnel, website, it's all basically the same stuff. Now, in this scenario, just make sure I'm recording. We've got a $37 sales funnel or $37 offer, a cheap offer. And we've got a $997 offer. That could be a course, a little program, maybe one-on-one consulting, whatever. But what I find fascinating is it all leads to pain, okay? And this is why a lot of people, when they purchase, really cheap offers, even stuff for free, and $997, that could be a $25,000 program, yeah? But the more money someone pays for something, it increases their chance to be successful and get it to work simply because of pain. And the reverse happens when it's free or really, really cheap. Because let's just say $37. Let's just say magically someone wants to buy your offer and they work a 9-to-5 job, or they're a struggling entrepreneur, whatever it may be. But generally speaking, the average income is, I don't know, look, let's just say $50, yeah? $50 per hour. Some people are making more, some people are making less. So that will take someone maybe 40 minutes, yeah? Which is nothing, yeah? 40 minutes, maybe even 30 minutes to save $37. Now it's even worse when it's free, because that takes no pain. So when people are in no pain, people don't care because they don't put any value on it. This is why a lot of the time when you see stuff for free, $7, $37, even $97, people go through it, but they might go through it 10%, 20%, or these people are more likely to reach out to you and say that you're a scammer, say that this program was crap, say that they want a refund because there's no pain attached to it. Yeah? Because when there's less pain, it requires less time. So with this, let's just say it takes them 40 minutes to save this. That's not valuable, because even if it's crap, they can save another $37, another $37. They could save 10 of these in a day. So this isn't really valuable because they can make it in 30, 40 minutes. So there's less pain, takes them less time. So in this case, the value goes down. And once the value goes down and there's less pain, they're less likely to do the work because there's less pain. Whereas when something's expensive, it costs them more time. So let's go back to the 9-to-5. The average income, again, in Australia is different to if you live in the US or India or the UK, whatever. But let's just say the average income is $1,500. Yeah, just say the average income. I don't know what it is. So this might take someone 4 days to save. Now that's 4 days to save working with people they don't like. Maybe they drive to a job and they don't like their boss, whatever it is, yeah? But they also link this to a new iPhone, an iPad. That's a lot of money. So this is where the objections start happening, and this is why you need to get good at copywriting, yeah? Whereas if you're selling something more expensive, $25,000, then there's even more pain. And this is why it takes a lot more time to get someone to take action, because not only is the money more, it's not about the money, it's about the pain it took someone to save that money. Now, a $997 program, people are thinking, why would I spend $997 when I could buy a new iPhone? Why would I spend $997 when I can get a new camera? Why would I spend $25,000 when I could buy a brand new car? Because that's fun, that gives them pleasure. Whereas your offer, your program doesn't give them pleasure because it requires work. And people don't want to work, especially now, because people are addicted to dopamine. It's just crazy. So again, I can go into this in much more detail, but when stuff's more expensive, it requires more pain. The person has to be in more pain because they've saved more money. They've worked more compared to these people. There's no pain. Anyone can get free stuff. Anyone can make $37. Yeah. So this has no value, even though it does. The person that's getting it subconsciously thinks that because it's cheap, it must be not as good. Yeah, not great. So the value goes down. They're less likely to get results because there's no value. Yeah, it requires no pain. Whereas with this one here, more money to save $25,000 for your program, your course, your VIP mastermind, whatever it is that you're selling. This could take someone 12 months to save. And if you're a content creator, maybe this takes you 2 months. But it's that 2 months of producing 100 different videos, being laughed at, being called a scammer in the comments, just being made fun of, having your friends not support you, having your family not support you. So this here comes with a lot of pain. So when people are in a lot of pain, yeah, it takes a lot longer for them to make a decision. But once they do, their value goes up because there's a lot more pain in this. Does that make sense? I'm going to finish this video here. If you guys have any questions regarding this and the different pains, the reason why people get better results when people are paying for things, it's simply because of the time, the pain, and when they combine, the value either goes up or goes down. Hope that was helpful. I'll see you in the next video.